Alright, Spirit 3431, just want to make sure I'm on the right 330 heading. We're stopped at 3000. We're good with that for a bit. We just got an oil pressure indication. We're checking it out. We just want to make sure we're not dumping oil all over your field here. That's the big thing, because we always had a quantity issue after takeoff there. Departure, good morning, sir. Wing 3431, 1000, 4000.
Wing 3431 for my departure radar contact, turn left direct seashell, climb maintain 10,000, 10,000.
Left direct seashell and 10,000, Wing 3431. Stop our climb.
Spirit 3431, say again.
We're going to have to stop our climb. I have to return to the field.
Spirit 3431 to mid-altitude, maintain 3,000, turn left heading 330.
330, 3000, Spirit Wing 3431.
Spirit 3431, do you require any assistance?
Stand by. Alright, Spirit 3431, just want to make sure I'm on the right 330 heading. We're stopped at 3000. We're good with that for a bit. We just got an oil pressure indication. We're checking it out.
Wings 3431, roger. I can leave you on that heading for about 30 more miles, or I can start basing you back around towards RSW, whichever you prefer, let me know.
If you don't have traffic out that way, it'll put us near the end of the approach. That'll be fine. Let's just go that way. We're working on this right now.
Southwest 34, correction, Spirit 3431, turn left heading 240.
240, Spirit 3431. Affirmative, just give us 2 minutes as we set up for runway 6, approach and landing full stop.
Spirit 3431, roger. Do you require any assistance?
Not at this time, sir. Wing 3431.
Roger. Spirit Wings 3431, when able, turn left heading a 140. Just advise when you're in the turn. 3431, turn left turn heading a 120, descend and maintain 1,500.
120 for wings, 3431.
Spirit 3431, are you still getting the oil pressure indication light?
It's the oil quantity is too low for to continue Spirit Wings 3431.
Roger. Spirit Wings 3431, 8 miles from Dauphin, turn left heading 090, maintain 1,500 till established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 6 approach.
Sorry, say again for 3431.
For Spirit 3431, turn left heading 090, intercept localizer.
Enter 090, intercept localizer, Spirit Wing 3431.
Spirit 3431, when you can, give me the fuel and souls on board, please.
Alright, fuel on board is 14.8 and current souls on board standby. 72.
Spirit 3431, 6 miles from Dauphin, maintain 1,500 till established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 6 approach.
Established clear for the ILS 06 Spirit Wing 3431.
And Spirit 3431, just verify the 14.8, is that 14.8 hours of fuel? Pounds, roger. Spirit Wings 3431, contact tower 128.75.
2075, thank you. ILS 6.
Sir, 3431 Fort Myers Tower, good morning, 10408. Equipment standby for cautionary, runway 6, clear to land.
Little end, runway 6, Spirit Wing 3431.
Sir, 3431, turn right when able, taxi via Foxtrot, Juliet, Hotel, Golf, remain this frequency.
Foxtrot Juliet Hotel, Golf with you, Spirit Wing 3431.
Alright, 3431 to your car, any assistance?
Number 1 engine.
Captain 90, pilot advises take a look at the number 1 engine, please.
We just want to make sure we're not dumping oil all over your field here. That's the big thing, because we always had a quantity issue after takeoff there.
Side 2 calling 1, Sarah Spirit 3431, say again.
Yeah, I just want to make sure we're not dumping oil on your field. That's why you want me to stop right here, and then it's the left engine, our left engine.
Alright, 3431, roger. In that case, then, let's taxi down Foxtrot, hold short of Juliet. We'll have you take a quick look at you there.
Go ahead, that's the quantity dropped off. I just want to make sure we're not leaking anything all over the field. So Fox, short of Juliet, thanks.
Thank you.